ALC Hosting Networks, your hosting and cloud partner.
Hi everyone, welcome to ALC Hosting Networks. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your website using FTP and File Manager on VistaPanel. Whether you're on macOS or Windows, the process is the same, so let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have your FTP credentials ready. You can find these in your ALC hosting app. If you haven't signed up yet, visit us at www.alchosting.net to get started. Let's dive in. First, open FileZilla. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from their official website. Once opened, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Site Manager from the drop-down. Now click on New Site, make sure the protocol is set to FTP. Next, copy the FTP hostname from your ALC hosting app and paste it into the host field. For encryption, if FTP over TLS doesn't work, choose Only Use Plain FTP. The port should be 21. Now, copy your username and password from the ALC hosting app and paste them into the respective fields. Once everything is filled in, click Connect. If all the details are correct, you'll see a success message, and you'll be connected to your server. Now, navigate to the htdocs directory. This is where you'll upload your website files. For this tutorial, I'll be using a free Bootstrap template. I've already zipped the files, so I'll just drag and drop the zip file into the htdocs directory. And that's it. Your website files are now uploaded via FTP. But wait, there's another way to do this, using the File Manager in VistaPanel. Let me show you how. Go back to your ALC hosting app and click on File Manager in the menu. Once redirected, you'll see the file we just uploaded via FTP. I'll delete it now to show you how to upload and unzip a file directly in the File Manager. Now, click the upload icon at the bottom left of the page. Choose Upload Zip and select your zip file. You'll see two options, Upload or Upload and Unzip. I'll choose Upload and Unzip so the files are automatically extracted after uploading. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the unzipped files in a new folder. Now select all the files you want to move, click the cut icon, go back to the htdocs directory, and paste them there. Before pasting, you can delete the default files like index.php if you don't need them. I'll just delete index.php for now. Once deleted, paste your files into htdocs by clicking the paste icon. And that's it. Your website is now live. You can visit your site by typing your domain name into the browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hosting tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Visit us at support.alchosting.net for assistance. See you in the next video.